One monitor is boring. Are you looking for a way to increase your productivity? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus SpaceMate docking station. That's right, a docking station that lets you do multiple 4K monitors and has 11 ports on it. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be looking at the Baseus SpaceMate series. This is 11-in-1 Mac docking station right here. Packaging looks fantastic. Everything is so nice, so vivid, but that's what we expect of Baseus at this point. Everything has been fantastic from them, so let's open it up. So one of the first things you see in the box is the user manual and these cute stickers. Look at this. This is awesome. It comes with these little stickers. Cool. We have our user manual right here. The Baseus SpaceMate Series 11-in-1 docking station. As you see, it is in multiple languages, so they definitely have you covered there. It has all the information you need on the product. And here it is, the docking station. It's got this nice little protective film over it, so let's go ahead and peel that off. And I know you guys love to see it, so I'm gonna get this one. But before we completely get rid of this, let's make sure, please install Display Link driver for multi-screen display. Gives you some information on where to go to download that. Very nice. And back to the docking station. This thing looks fantastic, feels great.
In addition to the magnetic base, there's also an adhesive on the bottom of the magnet.
On the back we have multiple ports here. It looks like we have two HDMI. We got a HDMI right here as well, Ethernet, USB-C, headphones, and USB 2.0. On the front we even have a USB-C and 2.0. And look at the data transfer rates on those. It's kind of laid out for you. Nice, love that. Baseus, this thing is fantastic. Let's go ahead and try it out.
This is the Baseus SpaceMate docking station. It's 11-in-1 USB-C docking station for MacBook and other devices. Maximize your productivity with this versatile docking station featuring 3 HDMI ports, 2 high-speed USB-C ports, a USB-A 10GB data port, 2 USB-A 480 megabyte ports, 100-watt PD input, gigabit Ethernet, and a 3.5mm aux jack. All your connectivity needs in one compact laptop docking station. Triple 4K display for Mac OS. Boost your multitasking with triple 4K displays on Mac OS, extending up to 3 monitors in stunning clarity. Powered by Display Link technology, USB-C docking stations compatible with all M1, M2, M3 MacBooks and Windows laptops. Please note that you must install the Display Link driver before using the HDMI ports. Innovative upright design, featuring a sleek upright design with magnetic base for easy setup and cable management. The bottom of the magnet has an adhesive so it can be fixed on the table to prevent the product from tipping over. The magnetic base can be convenient for users to plug the data cable. The magnetic base can be picked up and then flipped to the other side so that you can connect the other ports. The built-in LED screen displays connection status for each port, and a screen lock button lets you secure sensitive information with a single tap. Super fast data transfer. Experience lightning fast 10GB transfer speed with USB 3.1 ports. That's 1 USB-C port and 2 USB-A ports, moving 20GB files in just 20 seconds. Plus, the 2 480 megabyte USB-A ports provide a stable connection for your mouse and keyboard. 100-watt PD fast charging. Deliver up to 100 watts input via the USB-C PD port, offering pass-through charging with up to 85 watts output, enough to quickly charge any USB-C laptop. Please note the power adapter and input cable are not included. But still, it's pretty simple. You just plug this device into a USB wall port and it'll fire right up. Or you can just plug it into the laptop and the laptop will power the base station. And do keep in mind, Baseus makes this docking station for other systems, so there is a specially adapted Windows system available in the same series. Baseus, great job! Another fantastic product from Baseus right here, and that's what we expected because they're great. An 11-in-1 docking station is just multiple 4K monitors, 11 ports on this thing. It's just chef's kiss. We want to give a huge shout out to Baseus for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!